Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's CJ Brand here, and we are finally back with a brand new episode. I don't know why I got these on. I've been taking them off. Don't even wear glasses, man. But we are today going to be unboxing a new technology device for the first time ever. Yeah, ever. Not just playing. Anyway, so we recently was reached out by Leeventi, or yeah, we'll just go ahead and say Leeventi. That's what it sounds like they are. So it looks like they're a teleprompter company. What's that telecommuter? What is that? Teleprompter company. They reached out to me and just told me, hey, you know, we'll send you this product for free and test out, do a review video. So here we are. Now, honestly, I was like, okay, this is gonna be something random, you know, something I don't want to use. No, this was something totally different, man. I mean, I never thought that I would actually want to use this for a YouTube video, but I think I'm gonna use it. So let's go ahead and get into it, man. Pretty much the teleprompters, they help out anybody with like that do YouTube videos, newscasters. Let me see. Let me go to use my lucky notebook temporarily. So this is what his main job is to do. He's supposed to eliminate having your notebook. They want you to, you know, teleprompter, they help you be like hands free. So therefore, you know, you can look straight in the camera and just read. So that'll be the best thing about it. So we're gonna go ahead and get it unboxed, opened up for you, unbox it again, open it up for you, because there is two little things, and we're gonna set it up and we're gonna see how this bad boy works out. But let's go ahead and get into some details, man, about the teleprompter, man. So with Leeventi, like I said, they did reach out to me via email. They were just saying, hey, you know, we love your channel, this blah, blah, blah. And I was like, at first I really thought that it was one of those scam emails, but no, not at all, man. Not at all. So let's go ahead and see. So a teleprompter is a device that's used to project a speaker's script. Like I said, the presidents, they use them on talk shows like Oprah, probably Jimmy Fallon shows, late night shows. I definitely know Saturday Night Live, they use them as well. Pretty much anybody else. The weather people, they definitely use them. We've seen those on TV multiple times. So enough playing. Let's go to get right into it. This is CJ Brand, the Leeventi. All right, y'all. So we back in. Let's go ahead and unbox it. I'm gonna get down, do a kiddie stuff. You know, we got our little fancy little knife or whatever that we normally use. So let's go ahead and slice and dice the box. Okay. Feel like we ain't did like a review. I don't know how long, bro. Okay. Safety stuff. Then here we go. This is our stuff. Oh God. It says teleprompter / prompter by ... including remote control new. Alright, man. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up right quick. The box kind of dingy. But like I said, it's definitely by Leeventi. Let's see. Woo. Alright, let's get it. So yeah, man, definitely hope everybody been enjoying their days and weeks and stuff. I've been away for a while, man, but I am back. Okay. Okay, I thought this was gonna be like something glass, but it's actually some plastic. So that's not bad at all. Looks like we got the size pieces up. Not the side piece, but the side piece for this thing right here. And then some paperwork that I'm not gonna read unless it's directions. Then we got 3 panels, or maybe just 2 panels. Look like this may be the base, perhaps. Yeah, we're gonna definitely look at them instructions. That's key. All right, perfect. And then I'm not gonna scratch up this table at all. So we're gonna use their little thing temporarily, because this is definitely gonna be the cover up. So where did this go? All right, 1 piece. Oh God, 2 piece, and then we got 3 panels. So let's read the directions. Oh, this dope. They got a foot remote control too. That's pretty neat. Let's see. All right, so we're gonna take some time and look at the directions, and once we figure out everything, we are gonna come right back. This was nah. So they gave us 2 plexiglass. So I know for a fact we're just gonna take one and slide it in here. So let me go ahead and remove the paper. I'm only gonna use one of them because that's all we need. Are they different thickness too? Oh no, they're the same thickness. Okay. So let's go ahead and try our best to get this bad boy off. Okay. There we go. Oops. Sorry, this mug done dookied on this hill. Right, hopefully we can get this side off no problem, cause boy, they got this mug like stuck. It's like it feel like the paper on here was stuck like 3mm tape. Or maybe just cause I ain't got no fingernail. Y'all tell me, dog. Alright, there we go. Alright, perfect. And then we just slide you bad boy right in here. Okay. Alright, perfect. So now we're all good. Okay, perfect. Everything is in a secure location. So our next step right now would be to go ahead and go find us a quick thingy, because I will need to put this on a, what do I gotta put this on? A tripod. So I'll be right back. Let me go find me a tripod and we'll be right back to show you guys everything. So we finally got this thing set up. Excuse the mess back here. We are currently going through renovation. Anyway, so we have this remote control right here that came with the device. Yeah, I probably shouldn't see that, but oh well. So let me go ahead and show you pretty much. You got to pair it with your current phone or tablet. This is currently mirrored, but let me go ahead and get you guys a better view. So this is what it looks like. My camera is actually in the back of it, and this is how to use it. So just one click of a button right here to press play. It should have been working, but oh snap, you know what, I have it disabled. So come up here and press that. Now one click of the button, boom, and now pretty much you can use this whenever you're writing your script. Of course you have to flip the words on, you know, it'll take a little bit of time, but yeah, that's the, you can even see my camera in there probably. But yeah, man, that's the teleprompter, man. I think it's amazing. It looks real good, man. I would definitely invest into it, honestly. So let's go ahead and show you guys some more things you can do with it. We'll be right back again. This is a teleprompter, man. So basically the best thing that reason why we have a teleprompter in the real world is basically because this is what we want. We want this eye level. We don't want to be like, oh yeah, I gotta read over here. Oh, hold on, you guys. Let me go ahead and grab my notes. Yeah, you know, nobody wants to see somebody doing it, so it's time to throw away these notebooks and get you a teleprompter, man. I mean, like I said, Leeventi, this product right here was only around like 67. You see how I'm looking around? I have that on my teleprompter, man. You know, I can read it like that. So anyway, like I said, the product was only by like 69, 70 bucks. I got mine on for free, basically, like I said. However, I think that I will be using this real soon because I do plan on starting a podcast soon. So, I mean, Why not invest into something? You know, invest into your brand. Get all these products that you're gonna need for YouTube. I mean, we already got the tripod, we got the iPad, we got the teleprompter. Now we got 2 big old lights. We got a backdrop. We got the phone. We got a microphone. And then I mean, look, another. Oh God. Another microphone. So I mean, why not, you know, constantly, you know, keep investing into your brand, believe who you are, and get you whatever you need, man. I don't know what else you can use. Like other people say, if you don't need a teleprompter and you don't need any other device, I mean, I don't know why you watch this video. I really don't know why, but hey, that was my best review of it. I really like the teleprompter. Comes with your own remote control that you're definitely going to use all, because from one push of a button, I can start everything, I can stop everything, I can rewind it, turn the remote control off if you don't need it, save that battery. I don't know if you can change the battery in here. Oh, matter of fact, there's actually a charger piece in here, so that's even better. Don't even need a freaking battery. You know, them replaceable ones. But yeah, man, that's all we have today for the Leeventi Teleprompter. Hope you guys definitely enjoyed this video. And
go dummy, go beast on them. I go beast, go deep, I OD on them. I OD, apply pressure, put heat on them. Put that 500 degrees on them. 500 degrees, go dummy, go beast.